I was told to film, so let's start my filming adventure. So we're making for breakfast, we're going to be Eggs Benedict. And I'm making the holiday sauce here. Eggs being cooked here. This is prosciutto ham imported from Italy, which will be very good. We have asparagus, and I'm also going to cook this apple sausage and some potatoes. And we are using, of course, English muffins. So it's going to be good. Alright, we got the butter. We mixed in 1 cup of water, which is now cooking. And then we're going to do the holidays. I have to move the sauce over, just let the sauce thicken. We got the water boiling. We got some potatoes back there. And down here, we got the English muffin. And of course, prosciutto done. When you're done, your sauce should be thick like so. The best way to test the sauce is old cook's trick. You take a spoon, you dip the spoon. Look at the back. If it sticks to the spoon, it doesn't fall, and you can do this, make a streak, it's good to go. Next is the potatoes. When you cook the potatoes, you want to cook the butter, melt it, but you don't want it to where it burns the pot. So we got the potatoes cooking, a nice even match of potatoes. Once this is done, we're actually going to start the eggs. The water is boiling, so we got the bread, we got everything made, so boom. Now I opted against the sausage because that's going to be a little bit too much, but we got things we need. We're good, we're boom, we're banging. And then after we make all this food, we're going to plate it, and then we're going to go off do the drinks. So let's go ahead and plate while we're waiting. So you got your English muffin, prosciutto ham. Who doesn't love prosciutto ham? Bam, boom, eggs, done. Potatoes, and of course asparagus, plated, boom, and finished, bam. Holiday sauce, drizzled on top, boom, boom, boom. Let's go make the drink. All right, we got my glasses, we got the ingredients, boom, boom, boom. So let's go ahead and make an orange juice sunrise. We got rum, orange juice, equal parts, mixed. And then the rest, this much, we're going to do a little mixture of grenadine, orange juice. We're going to pour a little more orange juice and a little bit more rum in there. Rum, orange juice, and grenadine mix. We're going to top it off with this rum, just like so. And there we go. That is the orange juice sunrise. And there we go. Poached egg. We have a Benedict, an Eggs Benedict with a sunrise, strawberry, boom. Great way to start Mother's Day. So for all you out there that like to cook, try this recipe. It's simple and easy. Rocky, signing out. Peace. Like and subscribe.